This is the mini version of the Middy shotgun feeder. You see how it works. The plate in there with a slot where the lead is. It's quite springy, but not too bad. Probably this is the small version is best for when the carp are not feeding too well, probably in colder weather. Otherwise, when they well on, use the large version. Right, let's have a look how it performs. This is the feed I use. It's all it is micro pellets soaked for a few minutes, just so they stiff enough to go in the feeder, but not too stiff as they won't come out in a short enough time. What you need to do is put in enough feed as that you've got enough room left to pop the hook bait in at the end. You don't need to put the hook bait in. You can leave it hanging free like that, but I find it best, and most anglers do who've used the shotgun, to just leave enough room there and tamp a bit on. Right, let's see how it performs. What fish could resist that?